How to master your morning in just 10 minutes. Hey everyone, do you ever wake up feeling groggy, rushed, or unmotivated? Well, what if I told you that just 10 minutes in the morning could set the tone for an amazing day? Yes, in this video, I'm going to share a simple, science-backed 10-minute morning routine that will help you feel energized, focused, and ready to conquer the day. Let's jump right in. Segment 1, the power of a 10-minute routine. We often think we need an hour-long routine to be productive, but the truth is, it's all about consistency and impact. A well-structured 10-minute routine can be more effective than an unstructured hour of distractions. So here's how to maximize those 10 minutes. Segment 2, the 10-minute routine breakdown, minute 1 to 2, deep breathing and gratitude. Start with 30 seconds of deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat. Think of 3 things you're grateful for. This rewires your brain for positivity. Minute 3 to 4, quick stretching. Loosen up your body with simple stretches. This wakes up your muscles and improves circulation. A few neck rolls, shoulder shrugs, and a forward bend can do wonders. Minute 5 to 6, hydration and light nutrition. Drink a glass of water to kickstart metabolism and rehydrate your body. Have a light, healthy snack like a banana or a handful of nuts to fuel your brain. Minute 7 to 8, goal setting and visualization. Write down your top 3 priorities for the day. What do you want to achieve? Spend 30 seconds visualizing success. Imagine yourself accomplishing your goals. Minute 9 to 10, positive affirmations and smile. Say 2 to 3 positive affirmations. Example, I am confident, I am productive, I am ready for the day. End with a smile, because science shows it boosts your mood instantly. And just like that, in 10 minutes, you've set yourself up for success. Remember, it's not about the time you have, it's about how you use it. Try this for a week and let me know how it changes your mornings. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more life-changing tips. Drop a comment below with your favorite morning habit. See you in the next video. Stay awesome.